Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Dev C++ on your Windows 11 computer, right? So what you want to do, just open up any browser that you may have. In my case, I'm going to use Google Chrome, and anywhere within the search bar or here you can just simply type Dev C++. You will see download. You want to click on that and you have a few options, right? The official website is Bloodshed, so if you go to Bloodshed you will also see it, or you can download it from SourceForge as well, whichever you want. I'm going to show you both sides. So if you click on Bloodshed, you will be able to find it right here, so you can simply download the Dev C++ from here. Or if you go to the SourceForge, you can also go ahead and you can find the downloads right here, right? So I'm going to just simply choose this one right here, so go ahead and click download button, and this will go ahead and it will download the Dev C++ for us. Here you can see download the exe file, so I'm going to simply go ahead and open up that. Let me go ahead and minimize my browser. You'll receive a pop-up to accept if you want to install an unknown source file, so go ahead and do that and choose yet, and here you can see that it is currently unpacking. Now once this is done, you will now have the installer. Go ahead and click OK. You can also select your English, your language there, as you can see before. Now you have the license agreement here. You can go ahead and read through it if you so desire before you agree. Once you do, go ahead and click agree. Here you can see the components, guys, that's going to come with it. It's going to also come with shortcut on the desktop, language files, TDM, GCC, compiler. So it basically comes with everything. Then you want to go through and click next. Then you can choose the destination folder. I'm going to just simply leave it to program files there, and then I'm going to click install. Now it will take a few minutes to install. If your computer is very fast, it will install very fast, just like you can see on the screen there for myself. Now it's almost done installing, guys. Now once this is done, you can run it from here by leaving this checked. As you can see as well, it puts the icon on the upper left side on my screen here, but you can also go ahead and uncheck this and click finish. Then once you do that, you can either open up it from the desktop application here, shortcut, or you can simply click on the Windows icon and type dev, and you should see Dev C++ application. So you want to go ahead and click on that. Then here you can select your preferred language. I'm going to go ahead and leave it to English there as the original. Then you can choose the font as you wish. You can choose the color. You can choose the icons, whichever you want, guys. Go ahead and choose it. In my case, I'm going to leave it as the default as it's there and just click next. Then I'm going to select OK. And here you have it, guys. Dev C++ is fully working and fully functional. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.